about cell organelles. I told that eukaryotic cell contains cell organelles, right? You might get doubt what are cell organelles. Cell organelles are the parts of cells. What is organelles? First we have to learn about it. Organelles are the small organs, or cell organelles are cells organ. Here you can see blue dot, pink dot and green dot. Those are organs of cell. So these all are called cell organelles. Now let's learn about cytoplasm. What cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure present in every cell, even in plant cell also. Every cell organelle is inducted in that. Not only these three, but there are another main parts of animal cell. Now let's study about them. These are some other main parts of cell. Nucleus, nucleus membrane, nucleolus, chromosomes, genes and protoplasm. Now first let's learn about nucleus. What is nucleus? Okay, cells have one brain in that. That is nothing but nucleus. We all have brains, right? So like that, cells have nucleus. And nucleus is surrounded by a wall or else nucleus membrane to protect it from inducting in cytoplasm. I told every organelle is inducted in cytoplasm, right? But nucleus is not inducted in cytoplasm because it is protected by nucleus membrane. Nucleus membrane is around it. Now, if we take a microscope and zoom into nucleus, we can see some small dots. Those are called as nucleolus. But not only nucleolus, nucleus also contains chromosomes which contains genes. Okay, for an example, I have an example for you. For understanding what is chromosomes and genes. Have you ever wondered that if you go to a party, someone will come and tell you, hey, you're just like your mom, you're just like your father. Okay, who is responsible for the job? Genes are responsible for the job. They are also called as haploidal. Now, these take some of these similarities from your mother and father. Now let's learn about protoplasm. Okay, I told you that every organ in your cell is cell organelles. If we include this cell membrane also, that will be called as protoplasm. Protoplasm is nothing but cell organs including with this cell membrane or plasma membrane. Now let's study about plant cell. This is cell wall. You can see here there is one wall, protective layer. Now we learned about animal cell, right? There are some similar parts in plant cell also. So for a little bit change, we will learn about the parts which are not presented in animal cell but present in plant cell. First one is cell wall. Our animal cell has only one cell membrane, but plant cell has two protective layers. First one is cell wall. Cell wall is here, but they also have cell membrane also. Cell membrane is here, means cell membrane is inside of cell wall. But animal cells never have this cell wall. Vacuoles. Animal cells or waste in these vacuoles. Animal cell also has these vacuoles but very tiny. But in case of plant cells, vacuoles are present very long. It is up to half of plant cell. So these can store their food and also their waste in vacuoles. These are not present in animal cells. Chlorophyll, plastids and chloroplasts. These are never present in animal cells. Chlorophyll. First understand what is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment in every plant cell. It gives green to plant leaves. You can see bushes, trees, so many plants are covered with green color. Where are these chlorophyll placed in this plant cell? Those are placed in plastids. Okay, you can observe some plants which are in yellow color, which leaves are in yellow color and red color also even. When these plastids contain another pigment that will be called as plastid, and that will be called then green. Then leaves will get another color, not green color. If plastids contain only chlorophyll, that will be called as chloroplasts. That's chloroplasts. Okay. Now this is about plant cell. Okay. First, let us revise everything. We learned about cell membrane and we learned about that cell organelles. We learned about cytoplasm. We learned about nucleus. We learned about nucleus membrane. We learned about nucleolus. And also we learned about those chromosomes and genes and protoplasm. And now we learned about cell wall, vacuoles, chlorophyll, plastids and chloroplasts. And these are the plant cell and animal cell. Thank you. Next video I will come with tissues. Wait, I'll tell you what are tissues. If group of cells make one tissue. Group of cells makes one tissue. Tissue is not a restaurant papers tissues. It's a group of tissues make an organ and a group of organs make us. I'll tell you the cycle. Group of cells make one tissue. Group of tissues make